Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this healthier, refined sugar-free, yet still unbelievably delicious peach cobbler. So for the filling, we'll need 700 grams ripe peaches, that's about 5 to 6 peaches, 4 tablespoons maple syrup, but you can reduce it slightly if your peaches are very sweet, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. This is optional, but I feel like it adds an extra depth to the flavor. Then 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Then for the cobbler topping, we're going to need 70 grams all-purpose flour, 50 grams whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 50 grams coconut or date sugar, 55 grams melted butter, 80 to 95 milliliters milk. You're going to have to adjust for consistency, so I would suggest you start out with 80 ml. Then 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. Again, this is optional. Now to peel the peaches easily, we're going to start by scoring a shallow X on the bottom of each peach. And then we're going to blanch the peaches in boiling water for 30 seconds, then transfer them to an ice bath and let them sit there for a minute. Now, as you can see, the peach skins come off very easily. Once you've peeled them, we're going to halve them, then pit them and cut into 1 to 2 centimeter slices. Make sure you cut them evenly, and then transfer them to a bowl. Now we're going to toss the sliced peaches with the maple syrup, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg if you're using it, lemon juice, and starch. We're going to let it sit while we make the topping so that the juices can draw out. In another bowl, we're going to whisk together the flours, coconut sugar, baking powder, and salt, optionally the cinnamon. We're going to add the melted butter, milk, and vanilla extract and stir until a thick batter forms. The batter should not be too runny or drop off the spoon. If you find that it's crumbly, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons more milk. Let sit for 5 to 10 minutes to hydrate, then add the peaches to a greased baking dish. Mine is 20 by 17 centimeters. Then we're going to spoon our batter on top in dollops and bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes until the juices are bubbling out and the topping is golden. Cool slightly before serving and feel free to have it with some vanilla ice cream. That really tastes delicious. Anyways, let me know if you tried it, and thanks for watching.